All right, outside tonight, beautiful weather. In fact, an incredible shot of our gorgeous moon, the natural satellite that orbits our Earth, in full bloom this evening. Thanks to the great work of Jason Eggleston, my man. Beautiful lens work. Look at that. I mean, that is just gorgeous out there. In fact, you're going to see some more of his great work as we see some volleyball highlights coming up in just a few minutes. Let's head outside here at the Hill, where we've got winds coming in from the east and southeast. You see Old Glory, you see the Texas state flag. When they're left to right, that means it's a south to southeast wind near 10 miles per hour, so it's not as though it's a windy night. We've got 68 on the thermometer and 55 on the dew point, so not too bad, but that's probably one of the higher dew points that we've seen of late. Temperatures today, 82 at Seguin, 83 Gonzales, high of 84 when you get to Pearsall, Cotulla, Carrizo Springs, Eagle Pass. So 79 for us. And I will say this, the next few afternoons, these numbers will be inching up. Okay, we're not going to be going to record highs just yet, but maybe by Friday we start flirting with some records. 94 from 1988 stays in place, as cold as 28 today. 1991. So 50 this morning in the city. So that's pretty close to seasonal average of about 54 this time of year. But look, we were one of the warmer spots. I mean, New Braunfels 47, 48 Pleasanton, Hondo got down to 45, Kerrville 40. And if you're looking at Kerrville and even Fredericksburg at 42, you know some low-lying areas of Gillespie, Kerr, Kendall counties got down into the upper 30s this morning. Won't be as chilly tomorrow morning. In fact, it's 7, 8 o'clock. We're probably looking at upper 50s. I think this is a little bit warmer than what we'll see in the hill country, where they'll probably see some upper 40s tomorrow morning. And then a few degrees higher tomorrow as we get into some more mid 80s the next couple of afternoons, even closer to 87 once we get into Thursday. But the good news is this, dew points aren't going up with these temperatures. They're staying in the pleasant to comfortable categories. As long as that's the case, this air is going to be fine. It's going to feel good. And then you can see the dew points just falling off as two fronts come through later this week. Look at this blockbuster storm. I mean, across the Great Lakes into the Northeast, huge coverage. I mean, from eastern Canada to Florida, that storm system. But high pressure is going to be keeping us quiet. Zonal flow in place. So KENS 5's exclusive 14-day forecast, hard to find a weather change. We do have a warming trend, 83 tomorrow, 85 Thursday, closer to 90 by Friday. That could be the record high day. Notice that mornings will get a few degrees warmer each morning as well. Now the front. The two fronts, they're going to be coming through on the beginning of next week. Look at Sunday's wind speeds. So plan for this. North-northeast winds gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour. Much cooler as we get into Monday the 10th, the Marine Corps birthday. Tuesday the 11th, Veterans Day, looks beautiful, sunny and 73 before we climb back up into the mid-80s for mid-November.